Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Yusman jump starter. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and all accessories are turned down. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with car batteries for protection. Check the jump starter's battery level. It should be at least 75% charged for optimal performance. Locate your car battery and identify the positive and negative terminals clearly. You are now ready for the next step. Begin by attaching the red clamp of the jump starter to the positive terminal of your car battery. This terminal usually has a plus sign and a red cover. Next, connect the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of your car's engine block, or frame, away from the battery. Avoid touching the clamps together once they are connected to the battery. Confirm both connections are secure and stable before proceeding to the next step. Once the clamps are securely attached, return to your vehicle and attempt to start the engine as you normally would. If the car does not start on the first try, wait about 1 minute before attempting again. After your vehicle successfully starts, immediately disconnect the black clamp from the engine block first. Then, remove the red clamp from the positive battery terminal. Allow your car to run for at least 20 minutes to recharge its own battery. After successfully jump starting your car, it is crucial to fully recharge your Yusman jump starter. Connect it to a power source using the provided charger until its indicator shows 100% capacity. Store the jump starter in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. It is also wise to have your car battery checked by a professional if it frequently needs a jump start. Proper care ensures your jump starter is ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.